Dead batteries are like this. No matter how much you put your finger on it, how do you get a car to start? Put the remote in there. You shut your door. Shut everything off. Wait a couple of seconds. Press the brake. You got light. Time to go charge your car. Put a battery booster on, right? Come back and press the brake, the light comes on, and the car starts up. Now in here we had a whole number of messages. Tire pressure low. The brake was this way. It went away. They all done. Pull off. That's it. Come back for another day. Keep this in the car till this battery gets replaced. We have here is a battery by Interstate, June 2021. This is a battery tester for your car. This is a 5th generation CRV. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to talk you through because it's hard for you to see. It's not touchscreen. It says car, I click OK. 12 volt, I click OK. In vehicle, battery test. Check surface of battery. It says to go to my headlights, turn them on, 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you shut them off. This is about 10 seconds. Shut them off. The next step is to hit OK. You're going to go and read the regular flooded battery, the CCA voltage, 500. And when you click OK, it's going to give you a reading. Testing out the battery. We need to replace our battery. It's simple as that. I could go ahead and start to test other things and just back out of it and hit the 12 volt in charging test. Really don't need to do because it's going to turn the car on, turn this on, that on. So I'm basically all done. So the next time I see Costco, I replace the battery. Simple as that. How do you know when the battery dies? Well, press your brake, try to start the car. And I want you to listen carefully. Did you hear that hesitation? I did. It went ch-ch-ch and started.